We got a first look at the Jordan 3 Fire Red. Now this is just my personal opinion, and if you don't like it, I don't give a fuck. Leave a comment, let's argue about it. Off the rip is looking good. Not too much, not too little. I like the silhouette of the threes, but if I'm being honest with myself, do I really need these?
No.
I'm not saying that they ugly, but they ain't all that either. But I know y'all be like, Michael Jordan scored 42 points and he had his first child in these. Michael Jordan shaved his hair and went bald in these. This was the first time Jordan stuck his tongue out. Well, I don't get no half of y'all wasn't even born then. I was only one when this motherfucker came out. I buy the shoe cause I like it. If I don't like it, I don't buy it. But I don't give a about none of that. So yeah, back to the threes. First time these dropped was in 1988. Then they dropped again in 2006 and 2013. Now the last two times they came out, they had the Jordan logo on it, not the Nike on the heel. I feel like these gonna sell out and all you little ugly resellers gonna be out here trying to make $20 off the shoe. Boy, take your little ugly ass on somewhere. Now let's check out the quality. Leather look good on the shoes. Of course, with all shoes, you're gonna have your little imperfections. You see a little bit of thread sticking out here and there. The little paint on the red part is never that great in my opinion. If you look close at one of the little eyelets, boy, it look like one of them hoes about to jump out that thing. From the side, I don't have too much to say except for those little imperfections. Now let's check out the bottom. I really don't have too much to say about these. They actually look good except for the word Jordan. Look like you couldn't color inside the lines. We learned that in kindergarten, you little stupid ass. Other than that, that thing looking scrumptious. As far as the Nike logo, that thing look good. That shit made my little wee say pew. I'm gonna delete that. But we do see some imperfections on the back here. Boy, it look like somebody been chewing on the back of the shoe in the little red area. I told you, they be fucking up on that red part. Y'all gotta learn how to color. Definitely look like somebody been trying to sharpen their teeth on that motherfucker. You see a few little threads sticking out. I'm pretty sure every pair won't be like this. Now from this angle, it's looking good. I don't really like how that leather meat right there got that little hump in that thing. We don't do humps. Only hump we do is Wednesday. For the most part, shit like that you can't see from far away. And if I walk fast enough, you wouldn't be able to tell anyway. But no, these ain't fake. These real shits. Like I said, you see a few threads sticking up here and there. Look like a little boy that ain't had a haircut in a minute. Need to snip them shits off. Now we gonna pause right here on this toe box real fast, cause that thing look a little lopsided. That thing look a little lopsided now. I ain't saying it. We say, hey Nike, y'all gotta come with it, but don't be just charging us all this money then selling us this shit like this. I always gotta check out the Jumpman logo, cause you know that shit be looking a little crazy sometimes. Like this one look like he got a pair of scissors in his hand, but hey, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? As far as the leather, I like when they use this leather, man. It's better than previous shit they done used, but it ain't nothing like the past. Gotta spin that thing around so y'all can see them titties and that booty on that thing. Got that booty, I see. Got that elephant print looking good. That little elephant said, I don't know what elephant sound like that, but shit, I ain't have no elephant sound effects, so I had to do what I do. Now these initially was supposed to drop on August 6th, but they have been rumored to be pushed back until September 10th. Maybe that's a good thing, so y'all little ugly ass kids gonna be out here dressed like going back to school with them on. Everybody gonna be looking the goddamn same. Overall, if I get them, I get them. If I don't, I ain't tripping, cause I got too many pair of red and white shoes anyway. Ain't no point of having the same colorway in different shoes. Like, bro, I'm just past that shit. But if you wanna spend your $210 on them when they drop, be my guest. I'm saving my money for that Dragon Ball Z movie, cause that shit come out in August. I'm gonna be in that bitch with extra popcorn, cause I ain't spend my money on these shoes. Might get some jujubes, chocolate malts, and all that other shit I'm probably not gonna eat. I'm gonna get them sour, with them little sour motherfuckers, little angry looking bears. I'm gonna get them. Like this video, share this video, comment and all that other shit.